Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, up with Gadgets, and we've got a pretty cool little knife to do a disassembly and cleaning of today. This is the Poikilo blade VK Zen, and I keep forgetting that if I have any pressure on that lock bar, it's not going to open. Anyhow, very cool knife here. Some very cool features with the anodized pivot there, and then milled off. Same on this side. Very nice clip and a very cool back spacer that has the lanyard hole there. And as you can see, there's one pivot screw there, and we're not seeing anything. So let's look inside. There we go. There's a screw inside, so let's go ahead and get into it. In fact, we'll take that one loose first. And that's a T6. I checked it beforehand. I think, I'm almost positive, could be wrong. There was a previous Poikilo that I had to purchase these bit drivers, or these drivers for, and the pivot screw is a T10. So let's go ahead and take that apart. We'll drop that in the alcohol there, and theoretically this should come apart, theoretically. Now on the last one, there was a pretty cool mechanism for holding the two sides together. Basically, it just clamped down, but I'm not seeing. Let's go ahead and push this pivot out. That's not wanting to move either. That's the fun part of disassembling cleanings, and one of the reasons that I really like doing this is because there are new designs that I haven't seen yet. And sometimes it's kind of fun to try to figure out how to do that disassembly and cleaning. I'm not getting that to move any. Check and make sure there's nothing I'm missing here. That should have everything. Sure that, okay, that does move, so that gives me hope that something not seeing any separation there. Alright, let's try putting a little pressure with these plastic pry tools that I have. See if it does anything. I don't want to put too much because, as I stated, I'm still in the figuring this out stage, so and I don't want to damage this beautiful anodization there. All right. Gonna pause it for a moment and see if I can figure out anything. I'll be back shortly. Alright, I think I figured something out here. I actually put a little pressure right there in the lanyard hole, and it appears everything is starting to come apart here. What that would indicate to me is that we've just got some very tight tolerances. And there's the piece that screw goes into, and again it's got little ears on the end of it, and it fits in there, pulls everything together. All right, so then to get that blade off and remove the pivot, get that in there. Fairly simple once we get it figured out. All right, let's go ahead and wipe this thing down. And it's not seen much use, if any, so it's not real what I would consider dirty. So this should be a fairly simple cleaning. I'm going to wipe DLC blade and DLC on the scales. So a very nice looking knife. Wipe this anodized titanium and get it all spiffied up. All right, let's go ahead and get a fresh alcohol swab. Get the parts that we have immersed in the alcohol, and let's get those cleaned up. I want to do the bearings first and set those to the side and let those dry. Let those air dry just a little bit. I'm going to get that pivot. Clean that up. And again, set that to the side and let it air dry. And then we'll get this pivot there. It's got that T10, so we're going to pinch those threads there between thumbnail and forefinger, and just kind of try to clean those threads out as much as we can. All right, there we go. Making a little bit of a mess here, but it wouldn't be a proper help with gadgets cleaning without that happening. All right, this is pretty cool here. As you can see, the looks like a hex head right there, and on the pivot you can see what that's going to fit down in there. I do want to take a alcohol swab and clean out those areas just to make sure, and they're on those washers as well. And same here. I think we're good. Let's do the areas of the blade that we can't really get so good with the alcohol swab. Get the track where the stop pin will go. All right. And let's go ahead and get that pivot and get it in place. And again, you can see how that will turn and seat in place. All right. Next, we're going to put a bearing on there, and we'll set those in like that. I'm going to get a little bit of gunny glide and usually put a little dot on each side of the pivot there. Doesn't take much, and also a dot right there on that detent ball. We'll get the blade put on and go ahead and get that bearing on, and again, just a little dot there on each side, and as we open and close the knife, it'll spread that around, so no need to do anything crazy there. Okay, so I do want to set this in place. All right, then again, those little ears are pointed out this way. Okay, so once I tighten and pull that, put that screw in there, and it'll push those ears out into the little pockets there. I see, right there, that piece there. So kind of it holds that together. And in fact, I'm going to get this started before I put this. It's going to make things a lot easier. Okay, going to make things a lot easier once I get everything together here. Now what I want to do, I mentioned those tight tolerances there. I want to get this to seat into place. And as you can see, we don't have that done yet. And I don't want to tighten that there we go. I don't want to tighten that pivot screw until I can do that. Now we can tighten the pivot. We can put the pivot screw on and tighten that down. I put a little bit of Loctite. And I like using the Loctite stick. Put that on here and tighten that down. We'll tune that in just a moment. Okay, we've got everything together there. So now we're going to open this and tighten this screw up. Which again, that'll tighten everything up there. Oh yeah, action's already better. Again, I have to stay off of that that lock bar, and if I do that, everything works just peachy keen. And of course, now that I have it cleaned up, I need to clean off this DLC again, because it is a fingerprint magnet, but it looks oh so good. Alright, so there you have it. This is the Poikilo VK Zen. Hope you've enjoyed the disassembly and cleaning. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so. Hope to see y'all again soon. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks for watching.